my name is Morgan Reed, and I'm the president of the App Association. Our organization represents more than 5,000 companies around the world that make all the amazing apps you use, hopefully, every day of your life. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about network management and what goes on behind the scenes that makes the internet that you know today possible. For a little bit of a primer, we should remind everybody what really makes up the internet. All information across the internet flows in something called packets. And to think about it, packets are essentially like tiny pieces of puzzle. If you think about a puzzle is a big picture that's made up of little, smaller segments. And when it's put all together, you get to see what it is you're after. Now, on the internet, those puzzle pieces are in the form of packets. And each packet has three major qualities. Information about where it's from, where it's going, and a little bit of information about what order it should be in. The middle is the tasty bit, the sugar, that's the payload. And that's your picture, your email, your video, your cute cat Insta. All of that information is in the middle. And the final section of a packet, that's the part that does error correction and a little bit of a cleanup. So, how do you get information from your laptop to your phone? It all works through something called a network. And a network works by taking packets like this and moving them through a router like this and returning them at the final end here to the end user so that you can enjoy them. And each packet, one by one, goes from this container, the router, across fiber or cable or wireless transmission and ends up in your final content. With all of these packets going and more than 8 billion people all looking for some interaction with the internet, how do we make it work when this simple transaction has to move into billions of transactions per minute? Well, that's where network management comes in. For example, our email is going into this nice router. But you know what? Somebody comes along, they want to watch video. What do we got? We've got a problem. This router, this part of the network is overflowing with packets that it doesn't have a way to get there. In steps another router. The internet is actually built to go and add around the outside edge, to add whole entire categories of hardware, all to make the network more efficient. Eventually, all of your information flows into all of these various parts of the internet and still gets to make it back to your final destination. What happens if I have important health information? Information that needs to get to the end user, a doctor, an ambulance, faster. Network management allows health information, information for an ambulance, for a doctor, for something else vitally important where time is sensitive, to move ahead in line and get to its end location quickly and effectively.